How to reduce lag in Devil May Cry. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and experiencing lag, stuttering or frame drops, then firstly go ahead and open up the game and check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi, and then once you are in, go ahead and open up the game and tap on the gear button at the bottom left. You'll then come across this settings menu where you need to go ahead and click graphics. Inside graphics, go ahead and tap the drop down right next to image quality. Choose the quality from the options. If your game is lagging, then make sure to choose the low or the smooth option right next to image quality. And now get to resolution and set it to low or very low. Keep your shadow to low or very low as well. Right next to texture, keep it to low or medium, and make sure to turn off the dynamic lighting as well. And once you do that, click on save at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change this graphic settings. Another thing you want to do is to go ahead and close off any other background running apps. Make sure that Devil May Cry Peak of Combat is the only app that is running at the moment. So after you make these changes, you will be able to reduce your lag issue in Devil May Cry game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.